worshipful mayor thought of an idea of Namma Bengaluru, Nanna Gudi. It's our Bangalore, but what is my contribution? We always talk about our city, but what is my contribution? What did I do for the city? That's what we try to convey to the people in BBMP. We sat together. It was the brainchild of worshipful mayor, and the deputy mayor was also there. We sat together. We said, what do we tell the people? So like what Mr. Ramchandran said, and what Mahatma Gandhi, be the change you want to see. You be the change. You convert the situation. Today what we have seen in the last 4 hours, you started working from say 8:30 in the morning, by about 12, 1 o'clock, you found that 2 kilometers of stretch. One side, 1 kilometer, the other side, I have not seen the other side. One side I have fully seen 1 kilometer stretch, beautifully done. And perhaps with little more effort, you can do it much better. Now your work has been done. And I have been telling Mr. Ramchandran and all the people who contacted us that any time any organization or any group of people, social organization, want to do some work, BBMP is always there with you to accomplish the task which you want to do. So which means, most of us complain that there are certain problems in our area. Suppose you take up an intensive drive, you indicate to us, we send our entire manpower. Why we want people to be involved is, today in MG Road you have seen a lot of things done by most of you. Assume that the work is done by BBMP and somebody is messing it up. Nobody is there to ask why you are messing it up. If you have done the work, your Residents Welfare Association has done the work, and your own people have done the work, you would come and tell them, with great effort we have done this work, why are you trying to mess it up? Today, we are not trying to fix the responsibility, make people to realize that this is our city, this is our road, this is our footpath, we should ensure that these things are properly kept. In fact, a few days back I gave a call to everybody that flux should be removed, and that is happening. So we said, why do you want to spoil the beauty of the city? You want to appreciate somebody and want to convey best wishes to your leader. You would say it properly. You can spend some money on advertising, give it in the newspapers, give it in the media, and convey your appreciation to that leader instead of spoiling the beauty of the city. Similarly, we have footpaths. We are also taking up a drive to clear the footpaths. A lot of footpaths are enclosed, and there is again a small issue. Because when you talk about footpaths, we have a policy of hawkers zone, hawkers policy. We need to see that they also exist, but at the same time, footpaths should be clear for the pedestrians. All these things, we are in a situation of dichotomy where we have to ensure that things which are there should sustain, but at the same time ensure better facilities for people. That's what we are trying to do.